With its unique and contemporary design, this is the Oslo Dining Table. This dining table features an elegant oval wooden tabletop, which is 200 centimeters in length, which is the perfect size for family dinners, events, or just a casual chat. The natural wood finish on this dining table brings warmth and character to any dining space, and it would perfectly complement contemporary or classic interiors. What truly sets the Oslo apart is its striking and uniquely designed legs. These legs are not only a visual highlight, but also engineered for superior stability. The design of these legs add an artistic flair to the overall feel of the dining table while also remaining practical. This is the perfect balance between form and functionality, bringing sophistication and personality into your dining space. To view the Oslo Dining Table or our full range of dining tables, visit an Easy Living Furniture store today or visit us online at easylivingfurniture.ie.